Good morning, everybody. Today we will take a new chapter, that is chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. Chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. Here I recall your previous knowledge. You already studied what is a linear equation and what is a linear equation in one variable. I think previous year you already studied. What is a linear equation? 2x plus 3 equal to 0. It is a linear equation. It is a linear equation in one variable. That is, in an equation, the power of the highest power of the variable is 1. That type of equation is called a linear equation. This is a linear equation in the variable x. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is a linear equation in the variable x. One more example. This is a linear equation in the variable z because the power of the variable is highest power of the variable is 1. Therefore, this is called a linear equation in one variable. And also you already studied what is the solution of a linear equation or roots of a linear equation. A linear equation in one variable has only one solution. That is a unique solution. That you know how to find out. From 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is a linear equation in the variable x. Here the solution of this equation or the roots of the equation, we can find out the value of the variable of this equation. Here 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the solution of the given linear equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is, a linear equation in one variable has only one solution and it has a unique solution. Okay, this 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 and 2z minus 3 is equal to 0 all are linear equation in one variable. So, generally we can say a linear equation in the variable x can be written the form ax plus b equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a not equal to 0. Any linear equation in the variable x can be written, generally written the form ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a not equal to 0. A linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. Okay. This lesson we have to study linear equation in two variables. Example, 2x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. Here in this equation there are two variables are there, x and y, and the highest power of the variable in this equation is 1. So we can say that this is a linear equation in two variables. One more example. Here the power of the variable is 1. This is also a linear equation in two variables z and y. So generally we can say that a linear equation in two variables x and y can be written as ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b A and B both not equal to 0. This is a general form of a linear equation in two variables. That is, any linear equation in the variable x can be written in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers, and a and b both not equal to 0. Okay. This is the general form of a linear equation in two variables. Example. We can write one example here. 3x plus 4y is equal to 3. Is it a linear equation in two variables? Yes, this is an equation and having two variables x and y, and the highest power of the variable is 1. Therefore, this one is a linear equation in two variables. We can write in this form. We can rewrite it as 3x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3 and b, that is a coefficient of y, is equal to 4. C, the constant a, that is a constant a here, minus 3. This is the general form of a linear equation in two variables. The equation is given 3x plus 4y is equal to 3. We can write in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we can rewrite it as 3x plus 4y, 3 taken to the left hand side minus 3 is equal to 0. Where a is the coefficient of x. So here coefficient of x, a is equal to 3. B is the coefficient of y. Here the coefficient of y is equal to 4. And c is the constant term. Here the constant term is minus 3. Okay, this way we can find out the a, b and c from the given linear equation in two variables. Here we are taking a, b and c. A is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y and c is the constant term. We are taking including the sign. If a is empty sign is there, we have to take include the sign, we have to take the coefficient of x. One more example. Is it a linear equation in two variables? Yes, it is a linear equation in the variable x and y. Here, what is a? Coefficient of x. A is equal to root 2. And what is b? Coefficient of y, that is equal to minus 5. And what is c? C is equal to 4. So we can write a, b and c from the given linear equation in two variables. We already studied linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. Here, linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. How we can find out this? One example here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. This is a linear equation in two variables x and y. We can write in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is a general form of a linear equation in two variables. Before studying the solution, we can study one more thing. That is, the given equation is in the form 2x is equal to y. Is it a linear equation in two variables? Yes, it is a linear equation. And then having two variables are there, we can rewrite it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Listen, here x term is there 2x, y term is in the right hand side minus y plus constant term is not there, that is equal to 0. Okay, then here what is say? A is equal to 2. What is b? Coefficient of y. Here minus 1. What is coefficient of y? 1. That is minus 1. And what is c? Equal to 0. This way we can rewrite the given linear equation two variables in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, one more example. X is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. How we can rewrite this in the form of linear equation in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. X term is here, that is x. Y term is not here, so we can put a 0 y. Okay, constant term is on right hand side, taken to left hand side, it will become plus 5 equal to 0. What is say here? Coefficient of x 1. What is b? 0. What is c? 5. This way we can rewrite the given equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. One more example is there. 5y is equal to 2. 5y is equal to 2. Rewrite in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And write what is a, what is b and c. Okay. X term is not there, so we can put x plus by. Yes. by plus c. This c we have taken to left hand side. Equal to 0. Then what is a here? A is equal to 0. B is equal to coefficient of y 5 and c is equal to minus 2. This way you can rewrite the given equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. This is the introduction of chapter 4. Linear equation in one variable you already studied. Linear equation in one variable. In the variable x is of the form, any equation in the variable x is of the form ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a not equal to 0. Example, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. It is a linear equation in the variable x. Okay. Then we have to study linear equation in two variables. Any linear equation in two variables x and y is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b not equal to 0. Both not equal to 0. Okay. Then we have to study the solution of a linear equation in two variables. That is, a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. That we will study next class. Then one equation is given, one linear equation is given. You have to convert it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is linear equation in two variable form. Okay. That is example 5y is equal to 2. Here x term is not there, so we have to put 0x plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. Where a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y and c is a constant term. The coefficient of a and b and the constant term we are including the sign. Okay, all of you read and study the introduction. Very important. Okay, thank you all.